How to turn your Google Docs into dark mode. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. To turn dark mode into Google Docs, it is not possible directly, but you can download an extension for it. So, I'll show you how. Let's get started. You need to open up your Google Chrome and then search for Google Web Store. Open it up and then uh, on Google Web Store, search for dark mode Google Docs and then and there are many. You can just choose the one with the highest rating. Choose anyone and then tap on Add to Chrome. Now tap on Add Extension. And now the extension has been added right here, as you can see. Now head over to your Google Docs. Just go to the 9 dots and open up Docs and then go to the extension and enable it. There you go. Your Google Docs has now turned into dark mode. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.